Hi everyone, welcome back to Codes ASMR. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of HTML lists. Specifically, we'll be looking at ordered lists and unordered lists, and how you can use them to structure content on your web pages. Let's get started. First, let's talk about unordered lists. An unordered list is a collection of items that have no specific order. These lists are great for when the sequence of items doesn't matter, like listing ingredients in a recipe or features of a product. Now we will look how to create a simple unordered list. In this example, less than ul greater than the tag defines the unordered list, and each item within the list is wrapped in a less than li greater than tag. The default style for unordered lists is to display each item with a bullet point. As you can see on the screen, an unordered list looks something like this. Item 1, Item 2, Item 3, Item 4. Each item is marked with a bullet point, indicating that the order doesn't matter. Now, let's move on to ordered lists. An ordered list is used for items that need to be in a specific sequence. This is perfect for things like step-by-step instructions or ranked lists. Here's how you create an ordered list in HTML.
Nested lists. Lists can also be nested, which means you can have lists within lists. This is useful for creating sub-items. Here's an example of a nested unordered list. On the screen, the nested unordered list looks like this: item 1, sub-item 1a, sub-item 1b, item 2, sub-item 2a, sub-item 2b. And here's a nested ordered list. And the nested ordered list looks like this: first item, first sub-item, second sub-item, second item, first sub-item, second sub-item. The sub-items are indented and have their own. To make our lists look even better, we can use CSS for styling. Here's an example of how you can style lists. This CSS will customize the bullet points and numbers for both unordered and ordered lists, and add some indentation for better readability. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to create and style both ordered and unordered lists in HTML. These are fundamental elements in web development that help you organize content in a clear and structured way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.